core of it is just right from the minor pentatonic. And it's going to be, the guitar is going to be tuned down to E flat. We're going to hammer on from the 7 to the 9 on the G string. And then we're going to hit that 9th fret again. Just like that. Then we're going to scoot up to the D string and hammer on from the 7 to 9 on the D string. So you've got then index finger goes back to the 7th fret of the G string. So now we're going to the position below. We're on the 5th fret of the D string, and we're going to play that note twice with a little bit of a nudge. I mean, that's just my own term for it. It's kind of like a little bit of a bend, but not bending all the way a half step. Just a little pull down. And then we're going to a natural, no bend, on the 7th fret of the D. When you put that all together, it looks like this. See, lots of the notes get hammered into it. But the second time through, doesn't pull that off. It just stays on that high root note. All right, hope you got something from that. Remember, I've always got more stuff. My link for the site, guitarjams.com, right down there. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you in another one of these completely free YouTube video tutorials very soon. Take care. See you later.